In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miracast on Smart TV so you can connect your Android phone to your TV. So in order to do that, you just need to head over right here into your actual phone. Then click on Smart View or Cast option or Wireless Display option. Just locate that particular name right there, and when you click on it, you can find right here the devices that you can actually cast. In here we have two TVs like Samsung 7 series and Samsung Q800 series. Just choose right here the TV that you wish to cast, and from in there, click on Start Now. We also have in here this help article, and as you can see, this is what it says to do. Alternatively, you can also go to your settings, click on your phone aspect ratio, and choose the full screen on connected devices, and remember the settings so you can get the full screen experience on your device where you actually connected right there. Just tap on the mirror on your TV and connect with the SmartThings application. Just mirror the screen from there as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out.